Hey, Xcelerate users, thanks for joining in with me today. Today we're looking at the best way to look at your files and do your day-to-day activities, your notes, getting into your estimates or anything that you need to add on that file level. Some users like to go through the master job section. So if you look here on your left, you have the functionality to be able to get into your master jobs. From that tab, as a manager, you can see everything that's going on with all of the different files in each specific job. But that really isn't the fastest way to get in and get all your information entered in. So what you're going to want to do is come to this File tab. So once you click that File tab, you've got this file screen that loads. Here you've got a lot of different functionality with different columns and things of that nature. For this video, we're going to take a look at all of your open files. So if you haven't checked out our video on how to customize these columns, jump over to our YouTube channel and check out our video on how to customize that. It's done right here on the right hand side. So if you want to try to figure it out on your own, you can. But our video shows you how to customize everything so you can see what you want whenever you log in, and you don't have to change it each time you log in or log out of the system. So this is really primarily where you want to get into your files, is from this file screen. So a couple different ways to get into your files. Anytime you see this icon, you can always click the icon. You get your sliding screen from the right. You can jump into any part of that file that you need to. If you're someone who really likes to work in multiple tabs, maybe you're answering phones, so you maybe get disturbed as you're doing things and you want to jump from one file to the next. If you hover over, you have a hyperlink that you can click and it will open into a separate file. So you can jump from file to file, and depending on how you want to then jump is up to you. For the most part, most people just want to work in the one single file at a time. So, they click on that icon, you get your sliding screen, and then from here you can do all of the things that you need to do. You can see milestones and any details for your customers or KPIs, add notes, add financial information, things like that. Another really, really quick way to utilize the system, obviously notes are the backbone of your system and all your jobs of what's really going on. A quick way to do that is with this notes icon. So anytime you see this note icon anywhere on your file screen, if you hit that, it's going to jump directly to the notes section for that specific job that you hit that icon on. So all you have to do is then come to your orange plus button, and it allows you to then add your note really, really quickly. You don't have to get into the file even. And so if it's, the end of the day and you need to add a few different notes, you don't have to spend time coming into this the icon and go into each one and click into the notes and add. You can do it really, really quickly. So Xcelerate users that are in this system and doing a lot of different functions throughout the day, this is the best way and this is the fastest way for them that is going to allow you to utilize your time, be able to get to the next task that you need to do and not have to spend a lot of time waiting for the system to load or clicking a whole bunch of buttons. So we've got these tools built into the system that allows it to be very, very fast. You can filter through really, really quickly and see which jobs maybe you want to tackle. Maybe it's a receivables day and that's what you want to see. If you hit that filter, the funnel button, if you deselect all, and then maybe we just want to focus on receivables, click that. Now you've got all of your receivable status jobs. You can come in and see what's been done. So a lot of these jobs haven't been touched in a ton of days. So maybe you want to spend just this day doing this. So it's a really quick way to funnel through your jobs and see what's really going on. Maybe you don't care to do that. You just want to group them. If you hit the top of the column, that will then group everything that is in a certain status, so you can come through and look through those types of files. So it really, really is customizable to you to see how you want to manage your jobs. But as far as a quickness standpoint, this is where you want to do most of your work. This is where you're going to spend most of your time. So please utilize the files tab and the functionality that we've built into the system. We have built it this way so that it is very, very quick for you, and you don't have to spend a ton of time clicking through the system. You're able to get the information that you need in there and move on to the next job. If at any time you have questions, reach out to us, email us, call us. We're always here to help. Can your system do that? Xcelerate can.